In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a website in Hostinger step by step. Whether you created a test site, no longer need a project, or simply want to clean up your hosting account, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can safely remove a website from your Hostinger dashboard in just a few clicks. This tutorial is beginner-friendly, and you don't need any technical experience to follow along. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Hostinger tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and log in to your Hostinger account. Open your browser and head over to hostinger.com, then click on the Login button in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, or continue with Google if that's how you usually sign in. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll land on your Hostinger dashboard. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several options, but the one we're focusing on today is the Websites tab. Click on Websites, and this will display a list of all the websites currently connected to your Hostinger account. If you have multiple domains or hosting plans, they will all appear here. Next, scroll through the list and find the website that you want to delete. Take your time here and double-check the domain name to make sure you're selecting the correct website. Deleting a website is a permanent action, which means all associated files, databases, and content may be removed, so it's very important to confirm you're choosing the right one. Once you've found the correct website, look to the right side of that website's row. You'll see three small dots, also known as the Options menu. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu with additional actions you can take for that specific website. In the drop-down menu, you'll see different options depending on your hosting plan, but the one we're looking for is Delete. Click on Delete. Hostinger will usually show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove the website. This is an extra safety step to prevent accidental deletions. Carefully read the confirmation message. In some cases, you may be asked to confirm by typing the domain name or clicking a confirmation button. Once you confirm the action, Hostinger will begin the deletion process. After a few moments, the website will be removed from your websites list. And that's it. The website is now deleted from your Hostinger account. Now, just a quick tip before we wrap up. If you think you might need the website content later, make sure you create a backup before deleting it. You can do this from the Backup section inside your hosting plan dashboard. That way, if you ever change your mind, you'll still have a copy of your files and database. So to quickly recap, log into your Hostinger account, go to the Websites tab, find the website you want to remove, click the three dots next to it, and select Delete. Confirm the action, and your site will be permanently removed. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you understand how to delete a website in Hostinger quickly and safely. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy hosting tutorials, website management guides, and hosting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.